Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share some simple habit breaks that can help boost your skin barrier and achieve that healthy, glowing complexion you've always dreamed of. First things first, let's talk about over-cleansing. Washing your face too frequently can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Try to limit your cleansing routine to just once or twice a day to maintain a balanced skin barrier. Now, let's address the issue of harsh exfoliation. While it's important to slough off dead skin cells, over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier. Opt for gentle exfoliants and limit your exfoliation to just a couple of times a week to avoid overdoing it. Remember, taking care of your skin is a marathon, not a sprint. By making these simple habit breaks, you can strengthen your skin barrier and achieve that healthy, radiant complexion you deserve. So go ahead, pamper yourself and let your natural beauty shine through. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to healthy habits and glowing skin. Keep shining, beautiful. Dizzy #skincare tips #healthy skin #glowing complexion. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can boost your confidence in the kitchen with some easy one-pan recipes. One of the keys to feeling more confident in the kitchen is to keep things simple. That's why I love making one-pan meals. They're quick, easy, and require minimal cleanup. Plus, they taste delicious. Main story point 1. As the woman starts adding ingredients to the pan, she explains how one-pan recipes allow you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients without feeling overwhelmed. It's a great way to build your culinary skills and confidence. Main story point 2. The woman finishes cooking the meal and plates it beautifully. She mentions how the satisfaction of creating a delicious dish all in one pan can really boost your confidence and make you feel like a pro chef. So next time you're feeling a bit unsure in the kitchen, give one-pan recipes a try. They're a game changer when it comes to boosting your confidence and enjoying the cooking process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, the more you cook, the more confidence you'll gain. Happy cooking! Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can transform your skin tone with a mindful routine. Taking care of your skin is not just about the products you use, but also about the intention and mindfulness you bring to your routine. By being present and focusing on caring for your skin, you can achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. One key aspect of a mindful skincare routine is being consistent. Set aside time each day to pamper your skin, whether it's in the morning or at night. This regular practice can help improve your skin tone and texture over time. Another important point is to listen to your skin's needs. Pay attention to how it reacts to different products and adjust your routine accordingly. By being in tune with your skin, you can address any issues and enhance your natural beauty. Remember, transforming your skin tone is not just about external factors, but also about the love and care you show yourself. So, embrace a mindful skincare routine and watch your skin glow from within. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's nourish our skin and souls with love and mindfulness. You deserve to shine. Sparkles. Hey there, beauty lovers. Today, I'm here to share some tips on how to avoid common makeup mistakes that can really boost your confidence. First off, let's talk about the importance of blending. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not blending their makeup properly. Whether it's foundation, eyeshadow, or blush, blending is key to achieving a seamless and natural look. So take your time and make sure to blend, blend, blend. Next, let's address the issue of overdoing it with the bronzer. While bronzer can add a beautiful sun-kissed glow to your complexion, applying too much can make you look unnatural and even orange. Remember, less is more when it comes to bronzer. Start with a light hand and build up the product gradually for a more subtle effect. By avoiding these common makeup mistakes, you'll not only look fabulous but also feel more confident in your own skin. Remember, makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. So go ahead, have fun experimenting with different looks, and always remember that confidence is the best accessory you can wear. Rock that makeup, girl. Lipstick sparkles.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you some mindful skin detox habits that can help boost your confidence and make you feel amazing inside and out. First and foremost, taking care of your skin is a form of self-care. By incorporating a simple skincare routine into your day, you are showing yourself love and respect. This can help improve your self-esteem and make you feel more confident in your own skin. Next, practicing mindfulness while caring for your skin can have a powerful impact on your mental well-being. Take a moment each day to really connect with your skin as you cleanse, moisturize, and treat it. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, making you feel more relaxed and in tune with yourself. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and by nurturing your skin with mindful habits, you are nurturing